we are presenting our 3DP technology with our partners Superfeet, Environmental, and BASF. At this show, we're showcasing how HP enabling our partners to use end-to-end solution for capturing of biomechanical, biometrical data and manufacturing using our technology, semi-custom and custom product.
This year, we're really excited to be showcasing our 3D printed insoles and personalized after sport sandals. What those are is they're actually made from a 3D scan of your foot and gait analysis that we're doing here on site, and then we're actually printing caps on our multi-jet fusion printers.
We are showing our fancy TPU material that we have developed together with HP for the new HP 5200 multi-jet fusion printer that is just introduced into the market. I think the partnership between BASF and HP is a partnership with two famous companies, two famous brands, with a lot of know-how in technology and a great spirit in the teams that work together. And it's a good success story.
Our collaboration with HP has been fantastic. Having partners like HP has enabled us to do things that we wouldn't be able to do on our own. We wouldn't have the great printers that we have and the technology to make this personalized product that is really serving our customers very well and making Superfeet a better company.